Good afternoon, student. Today's topic is C variable, constant, and literals. Means it is also used in C++ also. Uh, doesn't matter, C and C language where the keywords variable, declaration, constant, and literals are same rules. Okay, in this tutorial we will learn about the variables and rules for naming a variable. You will also learn about the different literals in C programming and how to create a constant. In programming, a variable is a container, that is storage area, to hold data. To indicate the storage area, each variable should be given a unique name, that is called as identifier. Means how to declare a variable in programming, and what is the rules which are given in C or C++. Okay, same rules are follow in C language also or C++ also. No changes are there. Okay, so variable names are just the symbolic representation of memory location. For example, int place score, these are the variable name. Int is the data type and equal to is the 95 and equals to 95, means 95 value which is assigned to the place score variable, which is the data type is int, means it store the memory location, that is 2 byte of memory space. Okay, here place score is a variable of int type. Here the variable is assigned an integer value 95. The value of variable can be changed, hence the name variable. For example, char ch equals to single inverted comma a semicolon, ch equals to I. So these are the character data type. Ch is the variable and a is the alphabet which is assigned to the ch, but ch equals to direct I. So you can also change the value of ch equals to I. Following are the rules for naming a variable. A variable name can only have letters, both the uppercase and lowercase letter. Digits and underscores also use after the letters. Okay, the first letter of variable should be either a letter or an underscore. Okay, the third rule is there is no rule on how long a variable name or identifier can be. However, you may run into a problems in some compiler if the variable name is longer than 31 character. Okay, then you should always try to give a meaningful name to variable. For example, first name is better variable name than fn. It for the new user, it does not understand what is mean by fn. So the meaningful variable name should give the better understanding between the programming and new user. Okay, C is a strongly typed language. This means that the variable type cannot be changed once it is declared. Okay, for example, int number equals to 5, integer variable. But if you declare directly number equals to 5.5, it gives a error because you don't declare the data type. Double equals to number, it will also gives the error because it will not gives the error, but sometimes you will gives the value. Okay, here the type of number variable is int. You cannot assign a floating point value, decimal value 5.5 to this variable. Also, you cannot redefine the data type of this variable to double. It means if you declare the number which is data type of int, you cannot inherit by the double data type like this number. Okay, By the way, to store the decimal value in C, you need to declare its type either double or float. Then next point is the literal. Literal data used for representing fixed value. They can be used directly in the code, for example 1, 2.5 that and C, etc. 1, 2.5 and C are literals. Why? You cannot assign different values to this term. Okay. Then first one is the integer. An integer is a numeric literal. These are the literals which is predefined or built-in data type. Okay. An integer is a numeric literal associated with a number without any fractional or exponential part. There are three types of integer literals in C programming or C++ programming: decimal, 10 base 10, octal base 8, hexadecimal base 16. These are the type of integer literal. Okay. Decimal consists of 0, -9, 22. These are the decimal. And octal 0, 2, 1, 0, 0, 7 and 0, 0 through 3. These are the octal base 8 literals. Hexadecimal, that is the example for the literals. In C programming, octal starts with 0 and hexadecimal starts with 0x. Then floating point literals. A floating point literals is a numeric literals that has either fractional form or an exponent form. For example, -2.0 or 0.000234 minus 0.22 exponential -5. Note, e minus 5 is equals to the 10 raised to the power -5. These are the literal, means it is the literals are a data type used for representing the fixed value, okay, which does not change. Okay. Then next, third one is the character. A character literal is created by enclosing a single character inside a single quotation mark. Okay, suppose you have to declare a single character, that is A, M, F, 2 curly bracket, which is single alphabet denotes in single inverted comma, single quotation mark. These are the literals. Literal is the rules which we have to declare, how to declare your variable in a proper manner, or how to declare, or how to give the and how to give your values to the variable for which data type is suited. Okay. Then fourth one is the escape sequence. Sometimes it is necessary to use character that cannot be typed or has a special meaning in C programming or C++ also. For example, new line, that is the enter, tab, quotation. In order to use this these character, escape sequence are used. Escape sequence means \b. This is the backspace gives the backspace area, \f form feed, \n new line generate, \r return, \t horizontal tab, \v vertical tab. Horizontal tab and vertical tab means it gives the horizontal space and vertical space. // which is used for comment. / single quotation mark, this is also used comment. Double quotation mark, which is also used for comment. These are the question marks. And \0, these are the null character. So for example, \n is used for new line. The \ causes escapes from the normal way the character are handled by the compiler. These escape sequence are arrange your output in a proper format. Okay. Fifth one is the string literals. A string is a collection of character. Okay, these are the data types. A string literal is a sequence of character enclosed in a double quotation mark. For example, single word, single alphabet use single quotation mark. But string consists of the number of alphabet, which is group called string. So for example, good, this is called a string, so which is enclosed in double inverted comma. So null inverted comma represent the null string constant. Okay, string constant of 6 white spaces. If you gives the spaces in between the two inverted comma, it means string constant of 6 white spaces. Okay, then next example done. X is in double inverted comma, string constant having a single character. Okay, earth is round \n the inverted comma complete. This is called as print string with a new line. Okay, \n represent and which is just like a enter button. Okay, earth is round is printed and then enter the new line, means generate a new line. Then constant, if you want to define a variable whose value cannot be changed, you can use the const keyword. This will create a constant, means its value is fixed, not for change. For example, const double pi, which is value fixed 3.14. Notice we have added keyword const here. Pi is a symbolic constant, its value cannot be changed. Const double pi equals to 3.14 and pi equals to 2.9. It gives the error because single variable consists single value and which is the constant, which is do not change. So today's topic of C variables and literals in C or C++ are finished. So if you have any queries regarding the literals, variable, constant in C++, please ask me or message me. Student, please note down in this document C or C++ variable declaration, literals, identifiers and constant which is same. It's do not change, the rule which is not change. So please write down